Here they go. Put your helmet on. Get it adjusted correctly.
Oh, God. Jeez, I got a small head.
Gas on the right direction. I think it has to go forward. Yeah, it has to go forward.
Yes, it is backwards.
It has to go forward. It says right here, off, on. Click it a couple times like that. It'll go and fall into place. Make sure your choke's not on.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now, when you get to a certain RPMs, it's going to kick forward. You're going to feel it. See it?
Yeah.
That's where you want to go. And once you get it on the road and rolling, you just throttle it up and it'll just keep going.
Okay.
Let me get mine going.
Okay.
What I want you to do, go straight up that street and stop at that stop sign. And then let me lead from there. We'll go out onto the dirt.
Okay. You want to wait till you get your started?
Huh?
You want to wait till you get your started?
Yeah. Be nice.
On. Yeah.
What?
That's on. O-N.
Right there. Off.
Oh.
On. I can read. Okay, now go out, head out that way. Don't run into the Jeep. Just take your time. Follow me. Watch for cars. When you go over the cattle guard, go straight over it. Going over here. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys ride around here for a while. There's a lot of trails and stuff you can take. Just be careful.
Yeah, the bike already wanted to throw itself from out.
It'll throw you if you're not careful, like hitting some of these little dips and stuff.
Yeah, because I started going faster.
That's why you don't need to go too fast. That's why
I started slowing down and it tried to throw itself from underneath me like you would.
But you guys go ahead and ride around a little bit. Myself, I need to relax my leg. My leg always hurts, James.
Yeah, my hand started to get the vibration thing. Too much vibration, it starts to itch. I don't know what it's about, but
you'll be all right.
Yeah, no, it doesn't hurt. It just itches a little bit.
You don't need to choke it once it's been warmed up. You shouldn't need to.
Hey, James, want to race?
Nay, that's another thing. First time I see somebody purposely bumping each other off the road or running into each other, you're going to lose it. Well, you don't need to do that. Just be careful where you go, because you can go wherever you can get it to go. But just be careful, because you can hurt yourself. Yeah, I told you, there's going to be places you're not going to be able to go.
No, that's why I thought James turn around if we ain't going to make it. I am staying in front of him from now on. We got going.
You guys got to just watch each other where you're at. You got to be. You got to be aware at all times. I know.
He decided to brake, like I thought he slipped or something. So I tried to turn out of the way, and then he turned in front of me.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas, bud.
Thank you.
Pretty impressed. The Coleman CT200U. The only thing that I'm going to change, I think, is I'm going to try to put suspension on it. Perfect spot for these kids to play. And adults.
We raced each other here, James almost ate it.
He
went in a dip and the bike came up and he was like,
well, I'm sure you're gonna push your limits and you're gonna crash.
I was going around because I saw where to go. He didn't. He was just going straight.
Running all right?
Yes. It's a nice.
Are you happy now?
It's a nice little toy. It's a nice little toy.
Yeah. Well, you got to be careful. At all times, you got to be aware of what you're doing, because you will crash.
Yeah, that's why I went to the left, because I saw where to go. You didn't. Yeah, there's a slow little track.
Like I was telling Quinn, there's places it won't go, so don't try. Because you'll be picking it up out of some canyon somewhere by yourself. Of course he does.
He decides that he can't around the corner, and then expects me to go where he
What's
can
he
go.
doing over there?
There's a little track type thing, and he expects me to go where he can go, and I can't do it because his legs are smaller than mine, so they have a less touch against the handlebars. Well, I tried it, my knee slammed against the handlebar.
Well, I think we're going to take him home. I'd like to let Ross ride mine and have maybe LJ and Daly ride you guys's. That way they can get... Come on. But we'll ride some more later, but I figured it'd be only decent, let Ross and Bailey and maybe LJ get a ride. Let's head back to the house. So, what do you think?
Awesome.
Finally got your scooter, huh?
Yeah. So they're called scooters, but it's not exactly a scooter.
Not really. They're mini bikes is what they are. I mean, this is a mini bike still. The only difference is my days, they had little tires on them. Nowadays, they put these balloon tires on them. Anyhow, follow me back to the house.
Follow you? Follow me.
What?
No, we gotta go to the house.
No, we just need to go back to the house. Ow, God damn it, that hurt. Yeah, I'm turning them around.
We're gonna get it. I think it's my bike just for the fact that it's in the middle of the